Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off safe search mode on Google. First of all, open up Google Chrome on your phone. Once you get into Google Chrome, click on its search bar. You can search for anything in here like book or anything. After that, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. It will show you the drop-down menu of your Google account. So, go into settings from here. Now from settings, click on Safe Search and choose to turn off the Safe Search option from here. After that, open up the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down in Settings and tap on Apps, or you can tap on the search bar from the top. Search for the Google app here. Now go into its app and tap on the storage option. After that, tap to clear cache from here. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.